That's it. 1, 2, 3. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Coach Kano here. If you want to become a good soccer player, improve your overall skills, there's one element that will make a big difference in your game: ball mastery. So for that reason, today I got 3 drills you could do from home. So get your parents' permission, bring your soccer ball, get your siblings, your cousins, whoever's in your family, and have them practice with you. Let's get started. For today's session, all you need is a soccer ball and a cone. Now, if you don't have a cone, that's all right. You could use any object you have in your house. For example, I have this little Pikachu here that could be used just as perfect as a cone. So just make sure you get your parents' approval for the object you're using in case you don't have a cone, just to make sure it's safe. But that's all you need: soccer ball, a cone, or a Pikachu. Get started with the first drill. All you need to do is set up the ball on the right side of the cone. You're gonna place yourself behind the cone, and the setup is very simple. Right leg on top of the ball, left leg stands behind the cone, and you're gonna drag it back, give it a nice touch to the left, and control with the left leg. That's all we're doing. We're gonna take the ball from the right side to the left side of the cone. Control with our left, and now we're ready to get started and do the same thing, but left to right. You're gonna drag it back, simple touch, control with the right. Drag it back, simple touch, control with the left. You don't have to go fast, you have to go nice and easy, because this is according to your skills level. If you're ready to do it a little bit faster, that's fine, you could. If not, for right now, all I need you to do is go nice and easy to get a good feel to it. You drag it back, nice touch, place it on the side of the cone. Ready? You're gonna try to do 10, nice and easy. There's no need to go fast unless you feel like you're ready for it. But if you touch the cone, you gotta reset and restart from 0. Ready? So right leg on top of the cone, ball on the right side of the cone, and drag it back, simple touch on the left. Drag it back, simple touch on the right, left, right, left. That's it. We'll do 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and stop. So right now, if you noticed it, I'm looking down at my feet, and you probably are doing the same. There's not a problem with that, all right? If you're just learning, it's okay to be looking at the ball first, right? You want to make sure your feet know what they're doing. But if you think you're ready, we're going to try to do 10 of those. But now, you got to be looking at me in the eyes, all right? Not looking down. Ready? Just set yourself up with me. Set yourself up. You ready? And once you're ready, right leg on top of the ball on the right side of the cone. You look at the camera, look at the TV, look at whatever device you're looking at the video on, but do not look at the ball and try to do the same thing without looking at the ball. Alright? Ready? We're going to try to hit 10. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try not to touch the cone. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. If you struggle a little bit with that one, remember what I said. It's okay to look down at the ball when you're learning. Little by little, your feet are going to know exactly what to do without even looking at it. And once you get to that level, it means your skills levels are improving and you're becoming a better soccer player. Ready? In this one, you can do it as however you want. You can look down, look forward, you choose. But you're going to try to pick up the speed just a little bit more. Ready? Same thing. Just try to go a little bit faster if you're ready for it. If not, keep practicing at your own speed. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Great job. So the second drill takes the difficulty level just a little bit up. We're going to crank the difficulty level up just a touch. And we're going to start the same way. Right leg on top of the ball, right side of the cone, and you're going to drag it back, give it a touch with the right, touch with the left, control one more time. Alright, let me do that one more time just so you can see it. Just so you can see it, you're going to drag it back, touch with the right, touch with the left, right leg goes forward and controls one more time. See that? One more time, pay attention. Drag it back, touch with the right, touch with the left, right leg controls and starts over. This is my reset. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and forward. 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 See this? The entire time, I'm not touching the cone. I'm just using it as a guide. One more time, nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, and forward. 1, 2, 3, and forward. 1, 2, 3, and forward. Drag it back, touch with the right, touch with the left, control with the right. We're gonna try to do this one 10 times. Remember, you can look down right now, just get a good feel to it, learn the process, learn every single touches, and then we're gonna try to do it while looking up. Ready? Alright, nice and easy, and drag it, touch, touch, control. Drag, touch, touch, control. Drag, touch, touch, control. Perfect. Are you ready for 10? We're gonna try to hit 10 without touching the cone, without going all over the place, alright? Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That looks really good. Here comes the tough part. I'm gonna switch to our left leg and try to do exactly the same thing, but with our left. Left leg is the same thing. Right leg behind the cone, left leg on top of the ball. The ball is gonna start on the left side of the cone. Here's where I struggle a little bit. I'm a righty, so mastering both legs is always a big help to become a great soccer player. So make sure you focus on both legs, not just one, especially right now that you guys are just learning. So left leg, gonna drag it back, touch, touch, control. Same thing as we did last time, alright? Drag it back, touch, touch, control. Drag, touch, touch, and control. Nice and easy. You want to drag. 1, 2, control. 1, 2, control. That's it. I'm going to try to hit 10. I'm sorry if my left leg looks a little messy. Like I said, I'm still working on it. So we're growing together. That's the important part. Ready? And go. 1, 2, control. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg, that was the warm-up round. We're gonna do a serious one now. Take your time, go at your own speed, nice and easy, and try to do the best you can. Ready? One more time, left leg. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, control. 1, 2, 3, control. 1, 2, 3, and control. 1, 2, 3, control. That's 4. Come on. 5 more to go. 3. There you go. 1 more. Last one. Beautiful. Left leg. It's getting there. Right? It's getting there. Feels a little funny at the beginning, but you'll get there. Don't worry about it. For the third drill, we grab the first two and we kind of put them together. It's a little more complex. It's a little more difficult. But you guys will be just fine. We're going to go nice and easy. So on this one, we're going to start the ball on the right side of the cone, but you're no longer going to be behind the cone. You want to be in front of the ball now. So the ball and you are on the right side of the cone, but make sure the ball is in front of it and you're behind the cone. Alright, so that's the setup. The ball, the cone, and then there's you. We are on the right side of the cone. We're going to start with our left leg. Yes. Left leg on top of the ball. You're standing on the right side of the cone. You're going to drag it back. Give it 1 touch, 2 touch, control. You see that? I just went from the right to the left with a series of 2 touches. 1 drag, 2 touches, and then control. Now I'm on the left side of the cone, right leg on top of the ball, and same thing to make myself go to the right. I'm gonna drag it back, give it a touch with the left, a touch forward with the right, and I'm gonna control with my left. And I'm gonna go again. Drag, touch, touch, control. Drag, touch, touch, control. Drag, touch, touch, control. We're gonna pull it back, touch, touch, control. Pull it back, touch, touch, and control. Nice and easy. We're gonna be switching back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Ready? One more time. We're gonna go nice and slow. Drag, touch, touch, control. Pull it back, touch, touch, and control. Pull, touch, touch, control. Pull, touch, touch, control. Again, one. There you go. One more time. Control, one more time. One more time. That's it. Nice and easy. Once you get a rhythm going, you can start adding a little bit more speed and power to the touches, just a little bit, right? You don't want the ball to go away from you, or you don't want to hit the cone or whatever object you're using. Nice and easy, and we stop. Are you ready? 10 reps, nice and easy. We're gonna start counting. Ready? I'm gonna start on the left side of the cone. So if I'm starting on the left, right leg on top of the ball. Ready? And go. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Looks really good. I like it. I like it. All right. So drill number 3 is giving you a very hard time. Remember to practice drill number 1 and drill number 2 a lot. Give it a lot of time to practice. Give this one a little bit of practice, but make sure you master drill number 1 and drill number 2, because that will make drill number 3 a lot easier. Ready? We're gonna do the last 10. I'm gonna call it a day. Remember, if you have to look down at the ball, go ahead and do it. If you think you're ready to do it while looking up, you can go ahead and try it too. Ready? And go. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Right guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember, stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be uploading more content every single week. If you really like this video and you think it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If it's your first time in our channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the next skills and drills. Coach Cano, see ya.